Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Oceanside Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Oceanside Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in oceansidemortgage.com and make a search. You're going to see the official page of Oceanside Mortgage appear on the screen. Click on Sign In option at the top right side of the page. From the drop down, choose your account type that you'd like to log into and tap on it. On the next page, enter your username and password associated with your Oceanside Mortgage account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Before logging in, tick mark on the box that says Remember my username in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. You also need to tick mark on the second box to agree to the terms and conditions of Oceanside Mortgage account. This is how you can log into your Oceanside Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.